Once again, welcome children. So today we are going to do one maths table activity. For this activity, what you have to do, you have to take sticks and then you have to do this activity. अगर आपके पास sticks नहीं है तो आप पेपर से भी कर सकते हैं. You have to cut paper in a thin rectangular form. Rectangular form में आप strips type की papers cut कर लोगे and you will make this activity. Okay, so see here what is written. Mithu had some sticks. She arranged them like this. 1 time 5 is written. So look here, first what you have to do, you have to take 5 sticks and arrange in this way. 1 2 3 4 5. Here you can see 5 sticks are arranged in column manner. And after that what you have to do, you have to take one more stick and you have to keep it in this way. Okay, now the points where you are getting the cross, like here 1 cross, 2 cross, 3 cross, 4 cross, 5 cross. So it means 1 time 5 equals 5. Okay, now next is what you have to do, you have to take one more stick and you have to keep रो वाइज. आपको रो वाइज रखना है यहाँ पे. ओके, तो जो आप सर्कल, डार्क सर्कल देख रहे हो, ये क्रॉसिंग पॉइंट्स है, इनको आपको काउंट करना है. तो फर्स्ट ऑलरेडी वी हैव गॉट 5 और यहाँ पे भी 1 2 3 4 5. यू कैन सी वी आर अगेन गेटिंग 5. सो इट विल बी 2 टाइम्स 5 इक्वल्स 10. मीन्स कि आपने जब 2 टाइम्स 5 किया, मीन्स 2 स्टिक्स रखे लॉन्ग वाले, तो आपके पास 10 आंसर मीन्स 10 क्रॉसिंग पॉइंट्स आया. सो दिस इज 2 टाइम्स 5 इक्वल्स 10. ओके, नाउ इन द सेम वे यू हैव टू रिपीट फॉर 3 टाइम्स 5, 4 टाइम्स 5. ओके, and you have to count the numbers. Okay, now moving to the next question. So what is written here? Then she counted how many times the sticks were crossing each other. She found that 4 times 5 equals 20. So here you can see 4 times. When she has kept 4 sticks, 1 stick is this, 2 stick is this, 3rd stick is this, and 4th stick is this. So how much she is getting? She is getting 20 crossing points. Okay, so let's try making a 2 times table with sticks. So here you can see, अब आपको 2 टाइम टेबल बनाना है विद द हेल्प ऑफ स्टिक्स. सो व्हाट यू विल डू, आप 2 लॉन्ग स्टिक्स लोगे लाइक दिस एंड आप इस पर 1 स्टिक जब रखोगे तो 1 टाइम 2 होगा. जब 2 स्टिक्स रखोगे तो 2 टाइम्स 2 इक्वल्स 4 होगा. हाउ, यहाँ पे देखो 1 टाइम 2 इक्वल्स 2 and 2 times 2 equals 4. means total number of crossing points 1 2 3 4. same like that 3 times 2 equals 6. means कि आप जब थर्ड स्टिक रखोगे तो 1 2 3 4 5 6. okay, now next question. now here we have activity multiplication table of 6. Now draw sticks to make the multiplication table of 6. So how many sticks we will keep in column manner? 1 2 3 4 5 6, and one stick, one big stick you will keep in this manner. So you will get 1 times 6 equals 6, means total number of crossing points 6. now next, for when you will keep a big stick in this way, you will get 2 times 6 equals 12, means ki total number of crossing points 12. okay, now moving to the next page. so in this way you have to complete this activity. अगर आपके पास स्टिक नहीं है तो आप पेपर स्ट्रिप भी बना के ये एक्टिविटी कंप्लीट कर सकते हैं. नेक्स्ट, now shopping with tables, how much do these things cost? so children look here, cost of one toffee is rupees 2. rupees 2 each, means ki each toffee cost is rupees 2. so 4 toffees cost equals 8 rupees. 4 times 2 equals 8. next question, 3 pencil boxes cost 30 rupees. here you can see cost of one pencil box is 10 rupees 10. so cost of 3 pencil boxes will be 3 times 10 and it will be equal to 30 rupees. Same like that, 10 pencil boxes cost 10 times 100 equals 10 times 10 equals 100. Okay, now moving to the next question, 10 times 10 equals 100. Okay, now 9 balloons cost dash rupees. So cost of one balloon is 5 rupees, so 5 into 9 equals 45. So your answer will be 45 rupees. Okay, moving to the next question, 5 twice cost. So here you can see cost of 1 twice is 4 rupees, so cost of 5 twice will be 4 times 5 equals 20 rupees. Next question, 7 face mask cost of one face mask is rupees 3, so cost of 7 face masks will be 21 rupees. 7 times 3 equals 21. Complete the following. So here we have some tables. You have to write these tables in your notebook and you must have to learn the tables also. Now look at the pattern and complete them. Children, look here, 3, then 6, 3, 9, then 9, then 12. So here you can see we have 3 tables. So here you will fill 12, 15, 18. Same like that, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Here you can see we have table of 2. Or one more thing that you can do, if you will subtract 2 from 4, you will get 2. So when you will add 2, you will get the next number. Okay, now here you can see 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Okay, next 4 2 ja 8, 4 3 ja 12, 4 4 ja 16, 4 5 ja 20, 4 6 ja 24. So here you can see we have the tables. 5 2 ja 10, 5 3 ja 15, 5 4 ja 20, 5 5 ja 20. Okay, children, next question is 30, 60, 90, 120, 150, 180. So what we have to do here, children, when you will subtract 30 from 60, you will get 30. When you will subtract 60 from 90, you will again get 30. So we have to add 30 over here. So when you will add 30, you will get the next number. When you will add 30 to 90, you will get 120. Okay, so in the same way you have to repeat the process. Moving to the next page. So look here children, here we have the multiplication tree. So first see this example, 10 is written, 2 into 5 equals 10, 5 into 2 equals 10. So this is your commutative property, and 10 into 1 equals 10. So here again what we have to do, we have to write in the same way. So first number that we will always write is 1, because we know when we multiply 1 to any number we get the same number. So 1 times 12 equals 12, 2 times 6 equal 12, 3 times 4 equal 12, 4 times 3 equal 12. So in this way you have to complete the tree. Now 1 into 18, then 2 into 19, 2 into 9 will be 18, then 3 into 6 will be 18, 6 into 3 will be 18. Now look here, first number 1 into 35. Okay, then 7 into 5, here you will write 5 into 7. Now look here children, 1 into 24, next number 2 into 12, then 3 into 8, here you will write 6 into 4. Okay, here you will write 4 into 6. Okay, so here first number 1 into 36, next number you will write 2 into 18, 3 into 12. Okay, so in this way you have to complete the series. Here you will write 12 into 3, 4 into 9. Okay, now next number here you will write 1 into 45, 5 into 9, 5 into 9 equals 45, 9 into 5 equals 45, and you all know 3 into 15 equals 45. So in this way you have to complete this tree. With this we come to an end, and I hope these questions are clear to you. All of you have to complete this table activity that I have explained earlier in your in A4 size paper. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.